Good morning, shipmates. This is Master Chief Bryant. I want to talk about GovDelivery. I know we talk about that a lot and mention it a lot, but I don't think I've ever done a tutorial on exactly how to sign up for GovDelivery, which is an email notification system. So open up a browser, go to Google or your preferred search website. I'm going to type in GovDelivery Navy and hit enter. It's going to bring up some search results, and the one I'm looking for specifically is Navy Reserve Forces Command GovDelivery. Click on that. You'll come to this page. You may get a GDPR notification about cookies. Just acknowledge that, and you'll see here email updates. To sign up for updates or to access your subscriber preferences, please enter your contact information below. Now, you can either do email or text and SMS. I highly recommend just doing email. I'm not really sure how many text messages you may get, but it may may just be information overload. So I'm going to type in my email address, and I did this last night, so there will be one step missing for me that you'll have to do. You'll click submit. Once you click submit, if this is a new account, you've never set up GovDelivery before, you will have to confirm your email address, and then you will optionally be able to put in a password. I did not do that, so I click submit, and once you confirm your email address and click next or submit, it will take you to this page. These are the subscription options for communities and topics. It will be automatically checked in. All of these will be checked, so it will be you'll opt in to everything by default. I recommend that you leave everything checked for a short period of time, just until you can see the emails that come to you, and then you can go back and change your subscription as you see fit. But as you'll notice, there's CNAFR, that's Aviation Community, Chief of Naval Reserve. You get all hands updates from them, updates with topics specific to unit COs or unit SELs. There's communities of interest: aviation, shore, surface, undersea, Navy Reserve Centennial. There are encodes from CNR that you may be interested in. There's also RCCs, so Reserve Component Commands by geographical region. We are Navy Reserve Southeast, and that's out of Jacksonville, Florida. So NRSE JAX. And then you'll see you've got the entire RCC as far as topics go, and then NOSC specific type emails. And typically these are so in one of the other accounts that I have, I'm signed up to receive email notifications that are specific to or about NOSC Norfolk, because a lot of what the submarine community does comes out of Norfolk area. So when the CO out there sends out an email specific to the Norfolk community, then I get that, and the skipper doesn't have to send me personally an email or have a built-in distribution list. They may have one of those, but they can just send it to whatever email address GovDelivery provides them to send to, and then it automatically sends to all those people who are subscribed to that email. No different than any other email subscription service that you may be a member of, but this is, how we get Navy Reserve specific information to include mobilization opportunities and AT-ADT opportunities. So once you've selected the areas, the topic areas that you would like to receive information about, click submit. You'll come to this page. You can either subscribe to these or not, and just click submit. Success. Now you'll start getting emails with those specific topic areas. Save this page. I mean, you don't have to necessarily. You can go through the same steps that we just went through. You can put in your email address, and then you can go and you change your subscription preferences, or you can come over here and save this as a bookmark. Finish it out. Good to go. Easy day. Now, I'll bring you over here to my email client, and I use Mozilla Thunderbird. And as you'll see, I've got a folder set up right here for Navy. So I have my email service automatically send anything from Commander Navy Reserve Forces Command. Automatically it puts it into this Navy folder, and it bypasses my inbox, so I never see it until I come over here and click on that Navy box and see what's in here. And as you'll see, things like CVR bulk re-enablement of disabled accounts that was sent out via GovDelivery. And then you can see all the information that they put out about that and how to do it. So if you're sitting back feeling like you're being left out of the loop when it comes to the Navy Reserves, I highly recommend that you go to GovDelivery and sign up for a GovDelivery account. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to the Navy Reserve, just reach out.